Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be giving you a jasper.ai overview just to give you an idea about how they work and you can kind of see them in action. If you'd like to follow along, you can do that as well with the link in the description. Not only will it give you a free trial, which they don't advertise on their homepage, but you get 10,000 bonus words. So getting started with Jasper, what I like about them, ironically enough, is going to be all of their templates. There's an abundance of them. There's well over 50. And not only that, the quality of them is going to be excellent. Whether you want to do something related to social media, like videos, there's a lot of great ones when it comes to that. Blogs, websites, emails, frameworks is going to be great when it comes to copywriting. Commands is cool, which is newer. We can tell exactly what you want to do. So if you want to kind of free form that way. Also, their paragraph generator is one of my favorites. I'm also going to show you how you can use a bunch of these to create a long form article in case you don't want to use boss mode or you just want to do it a different way. Starting off with a blog post outline, I put the benefits of using AI copywriting software. Any type of template is going to be the same thing. Fill out these sections on the left side, choose your tone of voice, which there's plenty to choose from, and click on Generate AI Content. And as you can see here is what is AI copywriting? How does it work? How does the software help you write better? What are some of the benefits? What are the drawbacks? How much can it cost? And the bottom line, kind of like a conclusion. So what I'm going to do is just copy this and I have an outline, I have a section where I'm going to add my outline. I'm just going to delete these numbers. I'll be right back in a second. And since these are going to be the sub-headlines of our article, we're also going to need an intro, a conclusion, and we can do that as well with our blog post intro paragraph. We have our blog title here, and for this, I'm just going to put marketers. I don't know why I put AI in that, but let's generate content and see what we get. As a marketer, you know that the key to writing successful copy is understanding your audience. But what if there was a way to automate the process, so on so? This means you can spend more time focusing on your aspects. So what are the benefits of using AI copywriting software? Keep reading to find out. Perfect. Let's copy this. As we continue on, this would be our intro. Okay, there's also a section for the conclusion. I'm just going to do this now. Once again, we have our same title and we have a call to action at the bottom. Let's generate our content. So what do you think? Leave a comment down below. AI copywriting software can be a great help to content creators and small businesses who want to take their online presence up a notch without breaking the bank. Just don't take my word for it. Try out the best AI copywriting software and so on and so forth. Very cool. I like the length of that as well. This would be the ending here, the conclusion. And so each of these subheadlines can be a paragraph. So if we copy this, this is one of my favorite templates aside from the mini VSL. We can paste this in here to say, what is this paragraph going to be about? Keywords to include, let's do AI copywriting software. I'm going to use witty. Witty is fine, but we can also do, let's do excited. I like excited. Output, just one at a time is fine. And let's generate that content and see what we get. And look at that. We have quite a lot of content here. That's why I really like the paragraph generator. This is kind of 3 of them, but sometimes it'll be 1, sometimes it'll be 2, it'll be shorter or longer, but you never know. You can always just generate more. It's a type of program that uses algorithms to generate text that imitate a human writer style. The software is designed to help businesses create content such as website copy, product descriptions, and email marketing campaigns. I don't know if that's exactly how it works or like in the background of it, but you know, there's always the ability, or there's always the fact that you need to fact check it and make sure something's accurate. So keep that in mind. AI will never be 100% correct, but it'll be pretty darn close. To do this, software analyzes a data set of existing text, looking for patterns and commonalities. It then uses this information to generate new text that has a similar style. For example, if the software is analyzing a data set of website copy, it might look for patterns in the length of sentences, the use of keywords, and the overall tone of the text. It would then use this information to generate new website copy that has a similar style, and so on and so forth. Either way, that is a very good amount of text when it comes to that, when it comes to answering it as well, which is nice. So what I can do is just bold this, and you can just continue on if you want to go that way. So how can AI copywriting software help you write better content for your website or blog post? Let's do one more. So let's go back here. I'm just going to delete this and let's generate content. If you're a freelance writer or content marketer, you know one of the biggest challenges is creating consistently good content. It's not always easy to come up with fresh ideas and perspectives that will engage your audience. But what if there was a way to take some of the guesswork out of the equation? The software can help you do just that. By analyzing your audience and understanding their needs, these tools can suggest topics and approaches that will resonate with them. In addition, they can help you optimize your headlines and call to actions for maximum input, and so on and so forth. Not bad. You know, it talks a little bit more about CTAs and, you know, things like that when it comes to headlines. If you didn't like it, you can always just write more. But that's the process that you continue on with when it comes to creating an actual article if you don't want to use like their longer form editor. Keep in mind there are plenty of other templates that I talked about. The newer one, which is also my other favorite, the Mini VSL, Video Sales Letter. You can write a captivating 60 to 90 second script for a video that generates interest for your offer, created by the expert copywriter and inventor of the VSL, John Benson. I do have a separate video about that. I'll put that link deeper into the description in case you want to check that out. It's a really good one. But all of these, from what I've noticed, the quality has been fantastic. Yes, you're going to need to fact check here and there, but overall, you're definitely going to be happy with the quality of content that you get. It very rarely goes off the rails. For example, if you're talking about AI copywriting software, it's not going to start talking about dog chew toys in terms of the content that it generates. However, I have seen that with some other software tools. This is not one of them. Either way, that's a very quick overview about how Jasper works, utilizing some of their templates, even combining many of them, and of course, creating some articles and just doing whatever you want for your content marketing, whether it be emails, articles, blogs, social media, YouTube videos, scripts for YouTube videos, descriptions, headlines, call to actions, email marketing, you name it, it can really help you out with a lot of things. So I hope you got some value out of this when it comes to the Jasper overview, just to kind of see how they work and of course give you some examples in the process. Don't forget they do come with a free trial. That link is in the description. And when you click that, you can get a very nice bonus to go along with it. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.